Hey, hi. So this is the project for file compression system. So it is a basically a website, and it supports multiple types of encryption like image based, video based, etc. So the name is Zebra Cloud. Okay, and first once you do login, go to the web page. So first it will ask for login, so you have to do a registration. So this is the registration module. Once you're done with registration, then you can put the same credential and do the login. Okay, once you do login, so it will give you multiple options, as you can see. So this is the system which support text file compression, CSV file compression, PDF, image, and if suppose there are some other kind of files like video or anything, so that you can also compress from here. Okay, so first we'll go by one. So this is a test compression. So if I go to test, okay, so see, this is a test file. Okay, this is one of the text file which is a simple text file which consists of code. Okay, so let me pass this as a input to our project. Okay, first we have to compress it. Okay, so to compress it, just we have to click to browser button, and then you just have to go to your required, you just have to select the required file. Okay, and once you select, then you have to click submit. So once you select submit, then it will give you output key, the input file, this was the input file, this is the output file. Okay, the input file size is 2.4 kb, and the output file size is almost 1.47, so almost 39% completion has done. And suppose if you want to download this file, then you just have to simple click download button. Okay, so once you download this, so you will get this bin file. So bin file is basically a compressed file. Okay, so if you open this, if you try to open this file, so it will give you a complete encoded code, because we have used Huffman algorithm to compress files. Okay, and suppose now you have to decode the file. Okay, so then you again you have to go to decode encode file, and then you have to select the file which you want to decode. Suppose I want to decode this one which I have recently compressed. Then you just have to submit it. Okay, once you submit, then it will give you the actual file. Suppose now if I download this test file compression, then and if I open this, so as you can see, now I got the complete exact code which I have encoded or compressed, right? So it is plain format. So this way text file compression is working. Similarly, CSE is working. So first you have to pass the CSE file, whatever file you wanted to compress. Okay, you just have to file the file, pass the file, and you have to submit it. Once you submit, it will compress the file and it will give you a bin file, and then you can download and you can re-upload to get it actual form. Okay, so this is for text file and CSV file based compression. And for PDF, for PDF, it's a very simple process. You just have to pass the PDF file. Suppose this is a PDF file which is around 2.9 MB. Okay, you just have to submit it. Okay, and once you submit, then it will do some processing. It will give the compressed file. Okay, so as you can see, this is the input file which is almost 2.87 MB. This is the output file which is around 6 to 7 KB only, right? Almost 78% of compression has done. You can also download this file and you can open it. Okay, it will be the same. Okay, just whatever input file you have passed, it will be the same. Okay, just the only thing is it will be compressed file. Similarly, suppose you want to compress the image, so similarly you just have to go to image section. You just have to pass the image. Suppose this is the image, so it is almost 328 KB. You just have to pass it and you just have to submit it. Okay, so it will give the compress. The image quality and the resolution will be the same, just only thing it will be compressed. Okay, it will compress internally based on the color combination. It will do the compression. Okay, you can also download the compressed file. Okay, and it will get download. Okay, similarly, suppose you want to compress some file which is your option. Suppose you want to compress a video or a doc file, anything. Okay, you just have to come to file compression, and you just have to select the file. Suppose I want to compress this doc. Okay, so what I have to do, you have to select it and submit it. Okay, once you submit, it will give you the zip file as an output file. Okay, because we can't do compression for everyone, right? So zip is also kind of compression. So whatever input you will pass, it will just compress into zip file and it will give you the output. So as you can see, it has almost done 10% of compression. You can then download it and you can open this like this, and you will get the uh, file inside the zip file. Okay, so this way this system is working. Okay, so yeah, do let me know in case of any doubt or anything. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.